Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by choosing the right needle and prepping the thread. This matters because a correct match reduces frustration and skipped stitches. Once chosen, trim the thread at a sharp 45 degrees angle and keep it under 18 inches to prevent tangling. If the eye is tiny, use a needle threader. Alternatively, lightly moisten or pass the thread through beeswax to stiffen it. Make sure to hold the needle steady between thumb and forefinger so the thread finds the eye cleanly. Now focus on the precise motion. Steady the needle and bring the prepared tip of the thread within a few millimeters of the eye. If you have a threader, push its wire through the eye, insert the thread into the loop, and pull back, simple and reliable. Without a threader, fold a tiny bit of the tip to stiffen it, then slide it through while watching from the needle's back to ensure alignment. Once threaded, pull enough thread through to knot or anchor as needed. Finish by securing the thread so your first stitch stays put. Tie a small knot or create a waist knot and anchor it on the fabric. Once done, make sure to pull gently to avoid causing a burr in the needle eye. If the thread frays, recut the tip at a 45 degrees angle or coat it lightly with beeswax. If things still go wrong, replace the needle. A bent eye shreds thread, and use brighter light or a magnifier to steady the process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.